Okay, in this training, I've been receiving a lot of call about Google mapping a location, putting your location on Google Map. Now, firstly, I would have preferred using system to do this practical, but because of the fact that you need to activate your location, uh, I call it a plugin or two, which is always located on the phone. That's why I'm using my phone. Now you make sure that your location is active. You can see mine is active. That's number one rule. Number two rule, make sure you are currently standing in the middle of that location where you want to map. After ensuring that two things, you go to your browser, preferably Chrome. Of course, Chrome is owned by Google. Now you open your browser and type on the address google.com/maps. Don't forget to add the s/maps. Then it will automatically give you the coordinate of where you are. Look at where I am. It has given me the coordinate of where I am. If I send this to anybody that understands this language, they can be able to track me. But then if you're new, let's say, okay, you can see Google location map also have their let's say application. The platform I'll be using is Google Map. It's very easy using the platform. Make sure you have Google Map installed on your phone. To install Google Map, you can go to your Play Store. If you're using Android phone, go to your Play Store and then search for maps. MAP. Okay, this is my Play Store. I can just search for maps. If you have it already, it will tell you you already have the Google Map. You can see this particular one that is having Google LLC maps. I have it already, even it asks me to update. Okay, you can update yours or you leave it the way it is. But now let's go to map to add a location. Alright, once you open your map, you have your name, whatever you are using for your email, your default email will pop up giving you the name. Then you have different options whether you want to edit a map or add a place or write a review about a place. Okay, for those of you that have places where you always feel like I've received call that they saw their place but the update that is there is wrong, you can contribute or tell Google that that place needs to be updated. Okay, for those of us that for those of us that okay, my map just finished updating, that's why it restarted. So let's start again. Now it's having a different view. I'm not seeing the edit and all that, but there's still one place I'm still seeing, which is below where you have explore, go, saved, and contribute. Now we want to contribute to map. So you go to your map and click on contribute. Then it takes you back to where we were before. Either you're editing a particular place, a previous place, or you're trying to add a place. But what we want to do now is add a place. So you click on add a place, it will pop up where you can put in the details. Okay, mine is loading. Probably it uses internet, so make sure you have good data coverage or good internet connection. Mine is loading to enable me to add a place. So let's wait for it to load. Add a place. So it's still popping up. Could it be the update that I did? Let's see. Let's check through again. This one, okay, it has finished updating. Add a place. Good. So it said, is this a business or a place? You need to identify. If it's a business, it will take you to where you can add a business. If not, ignore, go straight to the name of the place, the category where that place is. That's where you classify whether it's a religious place or an office or a residential area or educational area. So ours is religion. Now you can say church, a place of worship, church, and then you put the name of the church. This is WCCRM, or you write it in full. WCRM is our brand name. WCRM headquarters, headquarters in Imo State. So that's just the name of the place I'm trying to brand. But most people, there are a lot of people that have registered this place previously. Some call it Rock Chapel, some call it Logos. If you want to know, if you want Google Map to automatically get where you are, you can click on update on map, like that particular place that is having the map location. So it will automatically tell you where you are, and then you click on OK. All right. Now, if the location is another place and you are situated in another place, that's when you click on the next one, located in another place. Then it will ask you to search well where the place is. But right now, it now wants us to put in the address. I don't really have the full accurate address of this place, but I know it's already on map. So I'm just trying to show you how you can put in yours. Now, what you need to do is to put in your address of that particular location. I think, what's the name of this place? Let me just say our mama. You can see it's giving me our mama. It dictated our mama too before when I searched on map. Okay, but I don't really know. We can just put, we can just select our mama Nigeria. Okay, now the last thing you need to do is to save your work. So there are still more to be done. You say add your phone number, website, and all that. So it wants us to add all this. I can just, put in what I want. Let's see, 24 hours. Then what else they're asking for? Save, done. Yeah. Phone number. This is just a testing, for testing purpose. I'm not saving. I just want to ensure that I put in everything that they want me to put in. When did this place open? So we want to know the history of the place. If you have the history, you put. If you don't have, you put I don't know, and then done. Once you have the major criterions, like now he's wanting me to add a picture, you can just quickly take a picture from your camera. Look at my camera. Quickly take a picture. For example, I'm in the ICT. Just quickly take a picture, and then you click on next, or if you've taken a picture before, you click on the pictures that you've taken and then click on next. So another important thing you need to do after adding your address, make sure you click on the location icon. You will see a circle at the edge of where you have the location address, where you are meant to type in your address. There's a circle that has a four corner arrow, north, south, east, and west. I wish I can screenshot, but it's right there. Once you click on it, then you can now see that your save button will be enabled. The save button is by the right hand upper side, where we have add a place. By your left you have an X icon, by your right you have a kind of send button. That send button is like a let's say rectangle. Yes, rectangle. Then when you click on that angle, it automatically sends to Google Map. All right, but right now whatever I've done, I'm still going to delete it because it's not really accurate. So that's how you add your mapping or your location on Google Map. So have a nice day and thank you for listening.